Hey, it's Zach with Let's Talk About Us. Today, we're covering a story that the left didn't report on, but the right sure as hell did, as this is a Fox News source. And as we all know, Fox News is not a news source. They were forced to admit in a court hearing that they are an entertainment company. So, let's begin. Judge blocks New York AG James from going after pregnancy centers over abortion reversal pill. New York Attorney General Letitia James wanted to pursue fraud charges against the pregnancy centers. This is written by Peter Atkin. A federal judge this week issued New York Attorney General Letitia James a preliminary injunction that bars her from taking action against pregnancy clinics on the grounds it would restrict free speech. In sum, on this record, plaintiffs have standing. No abstention doctrine applies, and no other prudential, discretionary, or equitable obstacle to such relief exists. Based on a careful application of the preliminary injunction factors, especially as they relate to plaintiffs' First Amendment free speech claim, motion for a preliminary injunction is granted. The judge ordered that James, in her official capacity, as well as her officers, agents, employees, attorneys, and all persons in active concert or participation with her, are enjoined from enforcing consumer fraud laws against the National Institute of Family and Life Advocates, Gianna House Incorporated, and Choose Life of Jamestown Incorporated for discussing and promoting the abortion pill reversal procedure. James had sued Heartbeat International and 11 centers that promoted the abortion pill reversal procedure, accusing the parties of engaging in fraud, deceptive business practices, and false advertising. James claimed the groups were spreading dangerous misinformation by advertising without any medical and scientific proof. Medicinal abortion involves taking mifepristone and following it with treatment of misoprostol days later. But pregnancy clinics have advised that those who change their minds and want to continue the pregnancy can do so by abandoning the second drug and instead taking doses of progesterone. The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists says the safety and efficacy remain unsupported. The injunction will remain in place pending disposition of the case. Sinatra's order says the order only applies to the named plaintiffs who are represented by the Alliance Defending Freedom, ADF, which touted the ruling as a significant victory. The court was right to affirm the pregnancy center's freedom to tell interested women about this life-saving treatment option, ADF senior counsel Caleb Dalton said in a statement posted on the ADF website. Dalton had also argued the case before the court on behalf of the plaintiffs. The lawsuit had accused James of wrongfully targeting the groups because of their viewpoints, specifically in relation to the pill, which has proven a contentious issue over the past year. Colorado similarly found itself entangled in a legal battle over the pill, ultimately leading to an injunction. U.S. District Judge Daniel Domenico, another Trump appointee, agreed that banning the medication likely violated the U.S. Constitution. Though, in that case, he leaned on the guarantee of religious freedom as a justification. The New York Attorney General's office did not respond to a Fox News digital request for comment before publication. Reuters contributed to this report. Okay. So, there's a couple things here. This is so weirdly written that I can't tell if this is for, it says, over the abortion reversal pill. But a lot of, the way the sentences are written together, it almost sounds like they're still talking about abortion, even though they're not. They're talking about preventing abortion. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. But two things I can say for sure. The first is, if you are working in a clinic or any kind of hospital situation, you have to be 100% with the people you're treating, because you are not like you're helping people, right? But you're also being looked at by like 100 people, like all the time. There's always somebody keeping track of you when you're in that position. Like no other job that I'm aware of gets mass protests of people holding signs saying baby killer, blah blah blah, and other things I probably shouldn't say. I don't know. Make of this story what you will. I mean, my personal stance is it's none of my business. And it's definitely none of the government's business. So, anyway, that's all I had for today. This has been Let's Talk About Us. I'm Zach. Have a good day.